Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share something I think is very useful and an interesting topic too, and is regarding a dynamic bind and a rendered form, and also bring large chunk of data and update the data in the child component, and then submit it to the centralized state, like use the Redux. Then anywhere else you can update information through a click a button like a save, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna quickly jump right in. I'm gonna show you a demo first. So this demo is something like I bring in the data from right here. So system. Remember the display name is best record that I select. I bring in data right here. So how the data is being managed. So this is the data, the source system data, source system detail data. This is the collection of my data. You see, I have source system data, right, and also the list. List is something else. Is from the yeah. I'm more focused on this. So then I have a 1, 2, 3 records, right? What I pick is the second one, which is the best record. So as soon as I click the best record, this will be given the information. Okay, so I'm using the first properties name and fill of the form dynamically, and then the remaining configuration that collection of data, I just use is underneath. But the first sector, I need to I allow them to do the update, form update. So the topic is like how can you make it? How you made a form update dynamically, and also how you group the data, all the changes right here, right? And click the save button, right? You can save data. Remember why this is important, because this save button is cross entire platform. Everyone else is using it, right? You don't know which one use, but this is as soon as this is being clicked, a logic will be triggered, which is like the save button will be detected which action needs to be done, ties into the backend to get the proper pieces triggered and updated properly. So I do not want to emit those things up to the parent, emit to the parent level, right? So for this phone is really it's like a hierarchy uh, component chain, right? Is connected to each other. I don't want to emanate it up to the parent level and the parent level to do some actions. I wanted to update it, the object, entire object right right here, which is a little easy, right? And then use the Redux to change it, to centralize the state. And then anywhere else throughout the application, right? The application will know what gets changed. All right, so those are two tips. How can I do this? As I said, once you see this page, two things you need to bring down. Remember this structure. So the very first one, you need to bring in, of course, you need to bring in the properties, right? Which is that you need to fill up the properties right here. And then you need to bring the entire one. So I just bring in the source system, bring two, right? Tip number one. Okay, after this structure, right? What I suggest you to bind it to the local use state, which is this. Right? This is very important because if you're not binding that, if not assign this, right? This is your form, right? If you're doing that, that means your state is connected. You're using state updated state, right? Once you on change clicked, handle on change, right? So you really change your use state, your state, page state, right? and in the meantime, your page will be impacted because your page is bonded to the state value. So both sides gets changed. This is tip number one. You certainly can do when it's first shot, you're just using the properties, which is inherited from the parent, right? You can show the problem. But as soon as your page gets changed, right? What's the change click, right? So this two will be separate, which is mean your phone right here won't get changed. So this is tip one. Tip two is, as I said, is the save issue, right? Save strategy, which is you save everything, your property back to the big chunk of the source system data you bring in. So the reason for that is a little easier entire across your platform. Okay, here's the main piece of code. Code is very simple. Right here is the automatically binding. I can do even more automatic way, right? You see, it's bringing the data, right? And you map in that and get the property first here. So from here, you just put it, output the name, render the name, right? Which you are using material UI grade. That's first is three, and then put another one's x is equal to 9, which is a 3 9 separate. Okay, from the left, you just using property name, and then on the right, you can just use the import field, right? And then you type the name first, and then you have the value. Okay, and then once on click, event change, right? Click, right? So this is something you will see, right? This will be executed. For example, the very beginning, you were just copy the property is current properties, right? Become a current properties, and then you filter the using the name filter, and it finds the which name you want to do the update, and then you mapping through it, which is you change the target, replace the target value to the current value. You get the property changes right here, right? The next, as I mentioned, you change the entire whole systems, a whole data set, right? You bring in data set here, and you find the source system detail, which is right here, source system details, right? Okay, you find that, and you go source system name is equal the name. You just more narrow down to the specific raw data you want to make update, right? So it finds that, right? You do a mapping, right? From the mapping, you bring in the data first, and then you change the property. Use the current property, you just gets updated. So by this way, you have your big chunk of the entire data set changed, right? The next, don't forget, right? You need to set the property data to current property, which is you need to change your state data for your phone to re-render. So when you kick in the change, right? Your phone will be changed as well. So this is like a couple of rules, right? At the end, from here, I just console log out, print out the data, but actually I will do the next. It's like update the Redux and use it to the save button. So this is like a whole routine and concept and how you're using dynamic data, injected dynamic form properties and some data is binding with the dynamically binding with the form and the form of future to use it. You can click on change button actions, and also you can change it as well, right? You can just do that as well. It's very useful, and hopefully you guys enjoying it. And I will see you next tip. Thank you.